a manually operated water pump, which was designed and constructed by Kevin Moore. And the work was supervised by engineer J.F. Malu, all of us from Nigeria. So Kevin will guide us now to tell us the components and the working principle of this simple machine.
The pump is made up of two return valves, two non-return valves with a connecting rod inside and there's a piston inside, guided with a rubber kit so that there will be no leakage within the walls of the piston and the cylinder pump. So let's assume that is the water source from there. So we are going to pump the water from the water source through anywhere that we want to pump it. So let's fix the hose into the water source and see how it works.
Delivery hose and the intake hose can be longer than this to any length you want